Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel.
Today, we're exploring the top 10 vacation destinations you need to add to your bucket list. Whether you're into adventure, relaxation, or cultural experiences, we've got something for everyone. Number 1. Cape Town. Cape Town, situated at the tip of Africa, offers breathtaking landscapes and a vibrant cultural scene. Visitors can hike or take a cable car up Table Mountain for panoramic views of the city and coastline. The Cape Winelands, with its renowned vineyards
and gourmet cuisine, is perfect for day trips.
Beaches like Camps Bay and Clifton provide sunbathing and surfing opportunities, while the V&A waterfront
offers shopping and dining experiences.
Robben Island, where Nelson Mandela was imprisoned, offers historical tours. Cape Town's diverse neighborhoods, from Beau Cob's colorful houses to the hipster cafes in Woodstock,
ensure a rich, varied experience.
Number 2. Japan. Kyoto, Japan's cultural heart,
captivates with its blend of ancient temples,
traditional tea houses, and serene gardens. The city boasts 17 UNESCO World Heritage Sites,
including Kinkaku-ji and the expansive grounds of Nijo Castle.
The Arashiyama Bamboo Grove provides a tranquil escape, while the Fushimi Inari Shrine's red torii gates create a mesmerizing pathway up the mountain.
Kyoto's Gion district is famous for its geishas and traditional wooden machiya houses.
The city's culinary scene is a delight. From kaiseki, multi-course dining, to casual ramen shops, offering a taste of authentic Japanese cuisine. Number 3. USA. Maui, often called the Valley Isle, is renowned for its stunning beaches, lush valleys, and volcanic landscapes. Visitors can drive the scenic Hana Highway,
exploring waterfalls, rainforests, and coastal views.
Haleakala National Park offers a unique opportunity
to watch the sunrise from a dormant volcano summit.
Maui's beaches, like Kaanapali and Wailea, are perfect for snorkeling, surfing, and sunbathing. The island's cultural offerings include traditional Hawaiian luau's, hula performances, and local crafts, with luxury resorts and diverse activities. From whale watching to zip lining,
Maui provides a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure.
Number 4. Greece.
Santorini, a picturesque island in the Aegean Sea,
is famed for its whitewashed buildings with blue domes.
Perched on cliffs overlooking the caldera,
the island's unique volcanic beaches, such as the Red Beach and Kamari Beach,
offer crystal clear waters and stunning views.
Oya is renowned for its breathtaking sunsets, while Fira offers lively nightlife and shopping. Visitors can explore ancient ruins at Akrotiri, enjoy wine tasting tours at local vineyards,
and take boat trips around the caldera. Santorini's charm lies in its blend of natural beauty, historical sites, and vibrant Greek culture.
Number 5. Queenstown. Queenstown, nestled on the shores of Lake Wakatipu and surrounded by the Southern Alp,
is a haven for adventure seekers.
Known as the adventure capital of the world, it offers activities like bungee jumping,
skydiving, jet boating, and skiing.
The Remarkables and Coronet Peak provide
excellent skiing and snowboarding in winter.
For a more relaxed experience, visitors can take scenic cruises on the lake,
explore the nearby wine region of Central Otago,
or hike trails with stunning alpine views. Queenstown's vibrant town center is packed with bars,
restaurants, and shops, creating a lively atmosphere year-round.
Number 6. Iceland.
Reykjavik, Iceland's capital, is a gateway
to some of the world's most unique natural wonders. The city itself offers a vibrant art scene, with museums, galleries, and street art. The iconic Hallgrímskirkja Church provides
panoramic views over the colorful rooftops.
Nearby, the Blue Lagoon Geothermal Spa offers relaxation in mineral-rich waters. Reykjavik is a perfect base for exploring the Golden Circle, which includes Thingvellir National Park, Geyser Geothermal Area, and Gullfoss Waterfall. In winter, the northern lights often illuminate the sky, while summer offers endless daylight for outdoor adventures, like glacier hiking and whale watching. Number 7, Canada. Vancouver, set between the Pacific Ocean and the coastal mountains,
Is a city of stunning natural beauty and diverse cultural attractions.
Stanley Park, with its seawall and ancient forests,
Offers scenic walks and cycling routes.
Granville Island, home to markets, artisan shops, and theaters, is a cultural hub. The city's neighborhoods, from historic Gastown to trendy Yaletown, provide a variety of dining and shopping experiences.
Vancouver's multicultural population is reflected in its diverse culinary scene. Outdoor enthusiasts can enjoy skiing on Grouse Mountain, kayaking in English Bay, or hiking in the nearby mountains and rainforests.
Number 8, Morocco. Marrakesh, known as the Red City, enchants visitors with its vibrant colors, bustling souks, and historic sites. The Medina, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a maze of narrow alleys filled with markets,
Selling spices, textiles, and crafts.
The iconic Touropia Mosque,
With its towering minaret, dominates the skyline.
the Majorelle Garden, created by artist Jacques Majorelle,
And later owned by Yves Saint Laurent, offers a peaceful retreat.
Marrakesh's palaces, like the Bahia Palace, showcase exquisite Moroccan architecture. Visitors can experience traditional Moroccan cuisine
In rooftop restaurants and enjoy performances in the lively Jama El Fna Square.
Number 9, Argentina. Buenos Aires, Argentina's vibrant capital, is renowned for its European-style architecture,
Passionate tango, and lively culture.
the historic neighborhoods of San Telmo and La Boca,
Are filled with colorful buildings, street art, and tango dancers. The Recoleta Cemetery, the final resting place of Eva Perón, is a must-visit.
The city's culinary scene is exceptional, offering everything
From traditional Argentine steakhouses to contemporary eateries.
Buenos Aires is also known for its vibrant nightlife, with numerous bars, clubs, and live music venues. The city's parks, museums, and theaters provide
A rich cultural experience, making it a dynamic destination.
So there you have it, our top 10 vacation destinations for your next getaway. Which one are you adding to your bucket list?
Let us know in the comments below.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration.
Thanks for watching.